We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Sneezing occurs when some disturbances occur in the nasal passage of nose. So, sneezing is a blessing, hence we thank the Almighty for giving it by saying, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah simply means, praise be to God, Allah. And the one hearing it must say, Yaramak Allah.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.